So with Pat Galavan from TurfCare, what we got going on here then, Pat? What's the business all about?
Well, our business really is all focused on nutrition and plant health for all sports turf, and this range of products that I suppose from around the world that we've sourced over the years, and I believe they have something special. Each have something special to offer.
Right. So you've got a real web of suppliers. This is a worldwide industry now, from your point of view.
Oh, certainly worldwide. Yeah, it's certainly. And I suppose we've been in business 26 years, and we've made some excellent contacts right around the globe, and I suppose source some good products that we're happy to offer here today.
And Pat, which way does it work? Are you going to suppliers to say this is the kind of thing we're looking for, or are you sometimes pleasantly surprised that they might already be producing something that maybe you hadn't thought about or seen before, and you can bring the other way as part of your portfolio?
Well, it's a combination of both. We just travel regularly to trade shows, see what's new innovations are coming in different from all sources, but also listening to our customers and understanding what's needed from the grassroots, and then sometimes going back to suppliers and say, hey, we need something for this. Can you formulate? Can you amend some of your existing products maybe to suit our industry or our climate, our country?
However much you bolt new things on, do you find you have a core product range that sort of dominates your sales ledgers?
Well, we have, it's difficult to say we have a core. We have a number of core products, core product ranges.
What would be your best seller?
Oh, I suppose what's new and topical at the moment is Leo's EO Turf, which is a new style amendment. It's a typical type of product we do. Whereas a year ago it was only a concept where we brought it in. We done some European Turf Laboratories done some trials and some testing, and we worked very well, and we've got it used in some of prestigious projects going on this year. It's been used in Wolverhampton Training Ground and Southampton Football Club as a soil amendment, and has been excellent results so far. So we're quite excited about that and what it can offer, what we can bring to I suppose any new construction or existing sports turf that's going on at the moment.
Sorry, just for the benefit of those of us that are mildly acquainted with TurfCare, and also perhaps those that aren't directly involved in the use of your products, what specifically are you talking about that you're putting down?
Okay, well, what Leo's EO Turf is a soil amendment that helps with the water management, both the percolation and water retention. But I suppose more importantly and more uniquely, what it does is this excellent nutrient retention capability, which means that there's the plant is makes much more efficient use of nutrient. There's less leaching going on, and ultimately, there's less of a need for fertilizer applications, which in some ways it's talking against ourselves, but
I was going to say we're not making the everlasting light bulb here, are we?
No. But look, we always need to do what's best for the industry and the environment. Yeah. So and we feel this is a major step forward for us.
And I'm intrigued about your own route into the industry and how long you've been doing it and the formation of the company, because quite clearly the attention to detail that you're now explaining to me is right down to my new shy. So how did you get into this? How did your business start?
Well, I suppose it started from training in horticulture, and at the time golf course and sports turf was going through a development stage, and it was back in the early 90s. Quality wasn't so good, the standards weren't there, but I felt that there was a desire to improve, and both from groundsmen and from greenkeepers, the desire, the interest for more technology, more products, and I suppose that just lit a fire for us and got us going.
And do you feel, finally, part of the end product? Can you take satisfaction from, say, a visit to Compton Wolves Training Ground and you see those pitches and you can feel that you are part of that and therefore part of the team's success as they start to find their feet in the Premier League again?
Oh, hugely. Oh, yeah, we take great pride in our customers having good success. So, yeah, definitely.
Fantastic. Well, we wish you success today. Lovely to meet you.
Thank you very much.